Hello everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing one more project for the same day 1, 2, 3 revision. Today is going to be a very interesting project. We'll be doing mystery room website. So I'm very excited to write this HTML question with you. So what we'll be revising, revising HTML tags, head, title, body, headings, paragraphs, strong images, header, navigation, main, section, internal links, IDs, ordered list, unordered list, semantic structure, table, th, body, tr, th, td, form, label, text input, email, number, password, radio, checkbox, select, options, submit. All of these will be covered in this. Okay, and even if we get stuck anywhere, don't worry, I'll re put the correct code in the description. Our aim of course is to make minimal mistakes or no mistakes in fact. But yeah, I mean, we're all beginners. We're still, I could have easily gone to day 4, day 5, day 6, and I would have covered the series, finished the series. But then I know I will, it would be like I would cheat myself and all of y'all by not actually making it beginner friendly, because I don't think by just doing one project you'll be able to be thorough with such concepts, because these concepts require memory, requires practice, it requires a flow which I'm trying to get. Okay, enough of talking. Already 1.5 minute I have used up in something which is not very important. But anyway, it was just a small introduction. So the main idea is that a college is hosting, let's say my college is hosting a 60-minute mystery escape room challenge, and participants will enter a mystery room. They'll solve the clues, unlock puzzles, and try to escape before the timer reaches zero. That's the thing. And my job is to build the official registration website. That is my job. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's start. Firstly, it starts with doc type. I'll try my best to finish fast as well. I don't want to take long time. So doc type HTML, and then we do HTML, and then we do head. In the head we do title. In the title I'm going to write it as mystery escape room. Head is done. Then I come to the body. In the body I have header, where I also have the navigation links, before which I would actually like to write here the mystery escape room. And then in the navigation I would, my bad, here I would like to give a h1 heading, and in the navigation I'll write here anchor tag href equals hashtag home. Here I'll write home. The next one I will be writing another a href equals, this can come later also, but I'm just writing it here itself. We'll see. Hashtag challenge, and here I'll write challenge. I have to pick up speed. I'm wasting a lot of time. I sense it. Then comes the mission. Just give me a second. Yeah. Then comes the mission. and then gonna close this. Then I'm on admission. After that will come the rules. It's going to be a proper website. Okay, it's not going to be childish or anything. It's going to be a proper, not proper website, but proper structure, proper content. Then register. Then last I'm going to write contact. Okay, so this much is done. Actually, before this, I can also share it in home or her. That's what I'm thinking. I'm just going to write one H2. Check out the links below for more details. I'll just write this. Okay. This I wrote in H2 actually. I write it in H4. Shocking, but yeah. Okay. Then I want to add main. Okay, in main I want to add, sorry, yeah, in main I want to add section ID, header main footer, so section ID. Here I want to write body, and then here I write H2 link saying home. Yeah, like that. And then I'm going to make a H3 link saying introduction, and then I'm going to write a paragraph. Welcome to the most, just give me 1 second. I'm back. So welcome to the most challenging experience on campus. Enter the, I'm going to use a strong attribute here. Enter the mystery escape room. Solve hidden clues. Crack the codes and escape before the 60-minute countdown ends. Do you have what it takes? Okay, like an actual content I have written. Okay, now after this I want to add an image. So what I'll do, I'll just go to Chrome and then I will search here mystery room image. um Okay, I'll just look for a good image. For now, I'll just take this and I'll copy it. So then I want the image, so I'll write image src equals, and that's the link. Let's see how big it is. If it's too big, yeah, it's too big, so I'll just reduce the width. I'll make it 400 and I'll close this. Yeah, that's enough. Maybe height I'll increase a little. Height I'll make it also 400. Let's see, I've never experimented with height that much. No. Then width, let's make it 600. Yeah, this is like somewhat still fine. Yeah, this is enough. Actually, height I'll make it 200, and this one, yeah, this I think is fine. This I think is fine. Okay, let's not waste too much time. Next, this section is done. Next section I'll go. So section ID equals challenge. So when I click on that, it will come to this. Then I'm going to again make a H2 link saying the challenge, and then I'll make a H3 link saying can you escape. Then I'm going to write a paragraph saying you and your team are trapped inside a mysterious room. 4 levels stand between you. I'm thinking, why didn't I do this from the start? This is the advantage of using a tab here. You don't have to type. I can just what do you say? Slide through it. Between you and freedom. Every clue leads to another. You must be thinking I could have just written one line and finished it. But yeah, I just want to make it look actually realistic. And it's actually fun also, right? Fun challenge. Have only 60 minutes to find the final escape code. Okay, so let's see how it's looking. Okay, fine. Then I want a H3 saying how the challenge works, and then I want some quotes, and then I want to write an unordered list. So unordered list, and then I have my list. Okay, now I want an ordered list because it's step by step. It's a step by step procedure, so I will use an unordered list. Ordered list. List. So first you have to enter the mystery room, of course. Enter the mystery room. Then next step will be receive your first clue. First clue. Then next is search for hidden information. Then next list is solve the puzzles. Next list is unlock the final code. Next list is escape before timer runs out. Okay, this much is only how the challenge works, the challenge part. Then I want to write this section also finished. Next section, id equals mission. Correct? Mission only we had it in? Yes, mission. I just keep saving it, don't know when it will happen. So yeah, mission. Here again h2 I'll write. Your 4 missions. Okay, and then I will write a table, and in that t head, oh my god, t head, in that tr, in that th, that is first one is going to be mission. The next th is going to be mystery. The next th is going to be difficulty. The next th is going to be time limit. So 4 columns we have. T head is finished. Then comes to T body. I'm trying to write fast because I know the forms don't take time. So T body, then comes TR, then comes TD, where first 1, next TD, I'll write the forgotten key. Next TD, easy. Next TD, I will write 10 minutes. Next TR, then next TD, then again next TD. I'll show you once it's done. Instead of simply scrolling it again and again, I'll just show you after it's done. The secret message. Then next TD is medium. The next TD is going to be 15 minutes. The next TR, TD, where I'll write 3. The next TD, the locked journal. Okay, the locked journal. And then the next TD is hard. The next TD is 15 minutes. I am wholly tired writing this. Okay, last one, let's write quickly. Then next TR, then next TD, that is going to be 4. Then again next TD, that is going to be the final escape code. Then the next TD, that is going to be expert. Then again the next TD, that is going to be 20 minutes. Are you ready to see how the final table looks? My god, to just type this has taken so much. This only would give to an AI. Just write table, it will done in seconds. Okay, then I'm going to add a small paragraph. That's what the this thing wants. Not within the table itself. Okay, I'll just say without outside the table, cause yeah. Okay, small paragraph. Every mission becomes more difficult. Complete all four missions to unlock the final exit. Oof, finally done. So now when I click on mission, I will go to this. Your four missions. When I click on challenge, oops, why? When I click on challenge, it did not work. I written triple L here. Now it will work. Challenge. Now we'll come to this. When I click on home, we'll come to this. Click on rules. No way, because I'm not yet made that. Okay. Now let's make the section. I'll make it end over here. Now new section opens, and that is section, not section, and here also ID equals rules. Then again I have to open h2 tag and write rules. Now this is going to be an unordered list. It's very lengthy. I'm sure the code will exist more than the video will continue for more than 40 minutes, because yeah, it's looking very lengthy. So here unordered list works because it's just rules. So teams, I can make just 1-2 rules and leave. Okay, but I'll just write 3, 4, 5 like that. Teams must contain 2 to 4 members. Next list the total challenge time is 60 minutes. Next list no mobile phones are allowed inside the room. Next list do not damage or move restricted equipment. Next list is do not reveal clues to other teams. The fun is gone then. Then next list is ask the game master for help if your team gets stuck. Then the next list is the team that escapes the fastest wins the game. Okay. After now finally we have come to forms. Okay, the section is done. Next section ID equals register, and then h2 link. I'll write fill the participant details. Register only, right? Yeah, I keep saving it now and then. Yeah, so then I'll open the form, and then comes the first label, that is the name. So label for equals name, and here I'll write name. Then comes input. First input type will come. What's the type of it? That's going to be text. Then comes id, which is going to be same as that for label, so name. Then comes the name, which is going to be name. Then comes placeholder, which is going to be enter your name. After this I'll just write a break tag. Then the next label, that is going to be email. So label for equals email. Then I'll write here email. Then input type equals email. Then id equals email. Then name equals email. Placeholder will be enter your email. After that I'll be closing this, and then I'll be opening break tag for next. Okay, nice. Next I want age. So again label for age. Then I'm going to write here age. Then I'm going to write here input type equals number. id equals age. Name equals age. Placeholder enter your age. Then I'm going to open one break tag and close it. Then after that I want password, a team password. So label for equals pass. Then here I'll write password. Then I want input. Then I want type equals password. id equals password, sorry, only pass, should be same as that one, pass. Then name equals password. Then placeholder equals enter your password. Then here I'm going to open the break tag. Okay, this much done. After this, next I want to put a radio button, because I want to select the role. So then I'm going to write a okay, label for equals role. No, what I'll do is okay, first I'll write a I'll just write a paragraph text first. I'll write a H4 heading. I'll write choose your role. After this I will write label for equals leader. Then I'll write here team leader. I'll just tell you something. So 1 second. Input type equals radio. ID equals leader. Names should be same, value should be different. So I will write here role, and then value I'll write leader, but outside I will write, I think outside need not write because already I've written there. See, team leader, here it will come. Okay. Next, similarly, one more label for equals hunter, clue hunter basically, that I will write here outside. Clue okay. Then I will write here input type equals radio. Then I will write ID equals hunter. Name should be same for all, should connect to the same thing. So name will be role, IDs will be different. Then value, again I will write here hunter, I can write to the value itself, and here I just close it. Sorry, again it should be input okay. See, any one is getting clicked. So one more, two more I will one more I will write like this. Label for equals puzzle. I will just write puzzle. There I'll write puzzle solver. Puzzle. Here I'll write puzzle solver. Then I will write input for type equals radio. ID equals puzzle. Name equals role. Value equals puzzle. Okay. Again, if there's any mistake, I'll let you know, don't worry. But as we can see, it is working. Any one should get correct. That's how it's correctly working. So I have left it like as it is. Now, next I want a checkbox. Okay. Next I want a checkbox. Form is not completed. Next I want a checkbox. So I will write label for, no, 1 second, here okay, label for equals skills, and then I will write choose your skills, and then I will write here select, because a checkbox, right? You have to select. No, wait, that is in, sorry, my bad, that was in drop down. So here I will write input type equals check box. ID equals one second, option, all that will come over there. So here individually we'll have to write. So what I can do is I will write here logical enough. Here I will write, one second, I'm trying to figure out. Here I'll write logical thinking. Here I will write H3 heading, choose your skills. I'm just thinking, okay, not yet done. Just give me some time. If it's working, then I will let it be. If it's not working, then I'll figure it out. Name equals, here I will write skills, and value I will write logical. Because written in label, then I don't have to write here, correct? Understood? Then again, one more new label. See, the main purpose of the label, why we, without label also we can write, why we using label is, I'm not clicking the circle here, I'm clicking the word team leader, I'm clicking the word clue hunter, I'm clicking the word puzzle solver. If I click the circle, or if I click the word, both is going to work. That is going to make it more user friendly. Even logical thinking, I'm not clicking the square box right now, I'm clicking the word logical thinking. So even if I click on that, it's working. Did you understand? So label for equals to, next one I will write coding. Okay, then I will write here coding. Then I will write here input. Then I will write type equals checkbox. Oh my God, checkbox. After writing checkbox, I will write here ID. After ID, I will write here coding. After coding, I will write here name, skills. Then I will write here value, and I'll write here coding. Okay, let's see how it's looking. Logical says, yeah, both are there, as you can see. Okay, even if I write value wrong here, there it will show what's written in the label only. Then one more I will write here, that's it. Label for equals to problem solving. I'll just write solving here. Then here I'll write problem solving, and then here I'll write input. Then type equals check box. Then ID equals, remember, select all of that drop down menu, the drop down thing, that there only select option other will come, not here. Select ID equals solving, name equals skills. That's just because I've practiced one before today, I was able to remember something, or else it's totally confusing, especially radio, checkbox, and the drop down thing. These three things are kind of confusing for me. We'll work on together, don't worry. And here I'll write solving. Okay, so for this it's enough, I think. Choose your skills, so I can click on fine. Next, choose a mystery level. Here look, it's almost 190 lines of codes. I don't think ever have written so much, but anyway, good for us. Choose your level. So again here I will write, I can write label also. I write label for equals level. This because I made a mistake previously, I can remember. So when do you make mistake? Only when you practice. So practice more. Level, in fact I'll write here choose your level, and then I'm going to write a select. Then here I'm going to write ID. here I'm going to write level, then name also I'll write level only, I think, because that suits the best. And then I'm going to write option, then value equals beginner, then I'm going to close this, then I'm going to write here beginner, then again option, value equals intermediate, then I'm going to close this, then I'm going to write here intermediate, then I'm going to write here option, then value equals expert, then I'm going to write here expert. Okay. Before that I'll write just a break statement here. Yeah, actually it's not looking good. I'll can I do this? I don't know, this is first time trying. Within the label within H2, I don't think it's allowed. I have never seen it something like this. I'll just write it because I want it to match with others also. Others all are very bold, this one is light, that's why I'm just trying. Okay, if it's wrong then we'll stay away from it. Ayush, others for how much H4 we're using? My bad. Okay, H4. This also H4. And then here drop down menu we can choose. Okay. After that we have to choose the mystery theme also. So again this choose the mystery theme, you can choose drop down also, that also that's going to be same as this. So label, I'll make a checkbox something that looks more better. So label for equals library, then here I'll write why didn't it close. Yeah, then here I'll write the haunted library, then here I'll write input type equals not checkbox because I'll have record only one, so I will write radio because I need only one. Okay, I don't want checkbox, not multiple, only one theme. Then id equals lib, then here name equals theme, value equals lib. Okay, here again I'll write a H4 heading, choose the theme. Okay, I'll just make one more. Okay, two more I'll make. Instead of library, this time I want laboratory. So I'll write the secret laboratory. Okay, done. Then one more I'll just write here. Instead of library, I'm going to write mansion, mansion, mansion. Here I'm going to write the abandoned mansion. Three themes. The abandoned mansion. Okay. Oof. Finally, our button type equals submit. Then I'm going to write here submit the form here. That's it. This also I would like to bring it in the next line. Done. Finally, this section is over. Next section, ID equals contact. After that, I'm going to write here contact. After that, not here, my bad. Under H2, I want that contact. Then I want to open a paragraph tag. Then here I'm going to write stuck before the event even begins. Contact the mystery escape room team. Okay. Then they have also given me the email, which is this is example. Okay, if it exists in real, not my problem. Mystery room, it won't exist properly, at college.com. Another brick tag I'll use. Phone, this might exist, so I'll just give, this might exist since I was using a content reference. Otherwise, how can I type so much continuously by myself, right? So that the one which is given by the AI might exist, so I'll just write this. Then location, I'll write innovation lab, main campus. Okay. I could have bolded all of that, but then it's fine. Now it's fine. So this is the main. If you want a footer, you can also add a footer, and that is going to be something like, say, mystery room in 26, something, just for the sake I have added, nothing else. Okay, so very nicely we have done. So register is working, contact is also working. So you can see, check out the links below for more details. Very nicely we have done this. It has taken us almost an hour, but fine, worth it. We're able to write this neatly. Okay, this is a yeah, okay, yeah, correct. And this is also working fine. This is also working fine. This is also, we'll check now. Yeah, works. Submit the form, and So contact. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot. It was a long video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.